like me, you work in places where the local telecoms network is unreliable or doesn't exist, but you still need to make phone calls, send emails, or access the internet, then there's a solution from Inmarsat that may be just for you. It's called BGAN, which stands for Broadband Global Area Network, and it allows you to communicate with your colleagues, suppliers, or customers as if you were back in the office, and from just about anywhere on the planet. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up and use BGAN. So, let's get started. Essentially, what it is a satellite terminal that you connect to your laptop. As you can see, it's very compact. This one weighs in at about 1 kilo, so it's not too heavy to carry in your pack. It's powered by a battery that you can see here, but if you're in a location where there is mains power, then of course you can plug it in. Now the first thing to do is to turn it on, like so. Then we need to tell the satellite where we are. To do this, we need to get a GPS fix, and this is done by placing the terminal down flat to give it maximum exposure to the sky. Then the terminal will automatically start to obtain a GPS signal. You can see it says acquiring GPS on the display, and then GPS acquired. So once I've acquired a GPS fix, the next thing is to connect to the Inmarsat network. I'm going to point the BGAN terminal to the satellite which covers my location. I have a couple of things to help me here. There's a small compass on the terminal and a beeping sound which tells me how strong the signal is. The quicker the beeping, the better the signal. At this stage, I'm going to connect the BGAN terminal to my laptop. Now, I'm going to use an Ethernet cable, but you could use a USB cable or Bluetooth if you want. It's up to you. You can connect any type of laptop or notebook. To help me complete the setup and manage my BGAN connection, I have a software application on my laptop called BGAN Launchpad, which I'm now going to open. Okay. So here you can see the BGAN Launchpad interface with the map, and the first thing the BGAN Launchpad does is to talk to the terminal. Now to help me fine-tune the pointing, there's a bar on the BGAN Launchpad which indicates the strength of the signal. Now, I'm looking for a signal strength of at least 45, so I'm just going to move the terminal slightly to try and increase the strength of the signal. And, yeah. That's perfect. That should be more than enough to register with the network. Now, I've just clicked on the pane and we're trying to register it with the network. This should take just a few seconds. A little icon has come up and it's attempting to register with the network. A little green arrow pointing at the satellite. A few more seconds. Yep,